Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 9. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you terminating and repeating decimal. Terminating and repeating decimals. Every rational numbers of the form of p by q expressed in the form of decimal form. There are two types of decimal expressions of a rational number, terminating and non-terminating. Non-terminating means repeating or recurring decimals. So first of all here, terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. Terminating decimal. A rational number in the form of p by q is expressed in the terminate decimal form. A fraction whose decimal expression is terminate. A fraction whose decimal expression is terminate is called a terminating decimals. Examples: 2 by 5, or sorry, 12 by 5, 12 by 5. 12 by 5 expressed in the decimal form, 12 divided by 5. So 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 2 minus 0, 2, 1, 1 cancel. Now 2 is less than 5, so keep decimal in quotient. 0, 5 for the 20. 2.4. 12 by 5 is a rational number. Its decimal representation is 2.4. A 2.4 is the terminating decimal because it is terminate. After 4 it is end. Comes to end. Decimal expression it comes to end. Now example second is 19 by 2. 19 by 2. 19 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 minus 8, 1. 1, 1 cancel. Keep decimal in quotient. Comes 0. 2 5 are 10. So 19 by 2 means 9.4. It is terminating decimal. Students, one thing is not here. A fraction p by q, a rational number p by q is terminates if the factor of q is 2 to the power m into 5 to the power m. The factor of q is 2 and 5 only. In rational number p by q, if the factor of q is 2 and 5 only, then they are expressing terminating decimals. Next is repeating decimal. Second is repeating decimal, recurring decimals or non-terminating decimal. A rational number expressed in the form of not terminate. Decimals not terminate. So it's called repeating decimals. Examples: 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a rational number. So 2 divided by 3, 2 is less than 0, 8. 2 is less than 3, so keep decimal 0. 3 6 are 18. 10 minus 8 2, cancel, comes 0. 3 6 are 18. 2 3 6 are 18. 2, so dot dot dot. 2 by 3 means 0.666 dot dot. Written as 0.6 watt. It is 6 watts. Is period of watts. Period of repeating watts. Period of repeating watts. Or length of period also. Length of period also. Next example is (11 by 6). Divide it. 6 one time. 11 minus 6, 5, decimal 0. Now 6 8 is 48. It is repeating, non-terminating, recurring, 0.6, recurring, 0.6 watts. 10 minus 8, 2, and 4 minus 4, cancel, 0. 6 3 is 18. Now also 2. 6 3 is 18. Now also 2. So 1.833 dot dot dot. So 3 watts. 3 watts. So 3 is length of period 1. One length. Here length of period is 1. Here also length of period is 1. Write it. It is. These are the example of repeating decimal. It is not terminate. It does not terminate. And terminating decimals is terminate. Write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 1B. Question number 1. Without actual division, find terminating or non-terminating decimals. We know that a rational number p by q is terminating if the prime factor of q is only 2 and 5. So find prime factor of denominators. So 7 by the PF of the prime factors of 24 is, find here prime factor of 24, 2 times 12, 2 times 6 and 2 times 3. Sorry, 2 times 12, 2 times 6, 2 times 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 3 is odd factor. Only factors 2 and 5 only. So 3 is the factor of 24. So it is not terminating. Non-terminating. 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 And second question number 5 is 16 by 125. So 16 by prime factors of 5. 125 is 5 into 5, 25 into 5. Only 5. So it is terminating. It is non-terminating decimal, and it is terminating. decimal. Write it. Students, next question is question number 3. Express as a fraction in simplest form. Express as a fraction in simplest form. So question number 1, 0.3 watts. So let, by algebraic method, let X equal to 0.3 watt equal to 0.3333 dot dot dot. Taken it equation 1. Now equation 1 multiply by 10. So 10x, x into 10, 10x equal to 0.3 into 3 into 10. So 3.3333 dot dot. It is equation 2. Here x means 0.3 watts equal to 0.333 dot 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 and so on. Equation 1, it is equation 1. Equation 1 multiply by 10 because one natural number before decimal. Change one natural number before decimal. So 3.333 from 2 minus equation 2 minus equation 1. Subtract it. 10x equal to 3.333 dot dot dot. Equation 1 is x equal to 0.3333 dot dot dot. Minus subtract it dot 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 dot. Dot 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 means 0. 3 equal to 10x minus x, 9x. So 9x equal to 3. That implies 9x equal to 3. That implies x equal to 3 by 9. 3 3s are 9. So 1 by 3 answer. 0.3 bars means 1 by 3 answer. Right? Students, one next question is question number 4 of 3. 3.14 bars. Here the length of period is 2. Let Ax equal to 3.14 bars means 3.14 dot dot dot. It is equation 1. Now 14 0 change is plus 2 plus. So equation 1 multiply by 100. Equation 1 multiply by 100. 100x equal to, it's multiplied by 100, so 14, decimal after 14, so 314.1414 dot 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 equation 2 from equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 is 100x equal to 314. 314.14 dot dot dot. And minus equation 1. Equation 1 is x equal to 3.14 dot dot dot. Subtract it. Dot dot dot. 0. 4 minus 3. 1. 1. 3. 311. 100x minus x, 99x. That implies 99x equal to 311 equal to x equal to 311 y 99 answer. Write it. Next question is question number 8 of 3. 0.163. Here length of period is 2. So let ax equal to 0.163 was. That means 0.163 dot dot dot. It is equation 1. Here 6363 15 digits after 1 digits. So first of all 1 multiply by 10. Equation 1 into 10. So 10x equal to 10x equal to 1.63 dot dot dot. Equation 2. Now 63 1 periods come to brought right to left. So multiply by 100 also. Equation 2 multiply by 100. So 10 into 100 1000. 1000x equal to 163.63 dot dot dot. Equation 3. Now from 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2. 1000x equal to 163.63 dot dot dot. And equation 2 is 10x equal to 1.63 dot dot dot. Minus. Write it. 0.3 minus 1 2 6 1 162. 1000x minus 10x. So 990x. 990x. Now that implies 990x equal to 162. Ax equal to 162 y 990. 9 times 617 plus 2 9 980. 9 times 9 1 ja 9 9 1 ja 9 and 0. 9 1 ja 9 9 7 9 7 2. So 9 8 ja. Now 2 times 9 2 ja 18 and 55 2 ja 110. That implies 9 by 55 answer. Students, your homework is solve exercise 1B. Write it. Your homework is solve exercise 1B. Thank you. That's all.